Hi everyone, it's Nelda. I hope you're all having a great, wonderful, awesome day. Today is Monday around noontime here in Canada, and I am recording this very close to an open window, so you will hear buzzing sound and some noise in the background, so I apologize, but this is the only time that I can record this. Anyways, this is a journal that I would like to share with you, and I call this a gratitude journal. I actually finished this a couple of months ago, but never had a chance to do a film. The cover of this journal is made of a yellow envelope and fabric. And then this is the Tim Holtz word plate. It says, "Live in the moment." The pretty flower is from my stash, and for the closure, this is a beautiful Indian satin silk. There are 3 signatures in this journal, but you can add more embellishments as you go because it can still expand. The size is 9 by 6¼ inches. And then I did some stitching. And this is a really beautiful green color fabric. This satin silk will stop from fraying because I use the anti-fraying glue to seal it. The inside front cover is decorated with this lovely lace, and then the first page has this beautiful Bible verse. You have also this ephemera from Calico Collage, and from my stash, you can journal on the back. And this card is vintage, really beautiful also. And the pocket says, "Life is awesome." You can add more ephemera here. This card is from my stash. And then the images that make the pocket are from a very old book. I added graphic paper and really beautiful ephemera that I have been hoarding forever. This is from an old book, and then there are plenty of loose pages where you can journal on. This is from Calico Collage. There are music sheets, and then lace and charms that says "Believe," again from Calico Collage. And then these beautiful bookmarks are from Purely Personal Gifts. So I will provide the links of Calico Collage and Purely Personal Gifts in the description below because I use some of their downloads to complete this journal. This paper is from Papa Melroti. And you will see beautiful sayings and quotes and Bible verses throughout this journal. Another paper from Papa Melroti. And then this tag is from Purely Personal Gifts. Each signature is decorated with lace and charms. This is from a coloring book. Ephemera from my stash. There are assorted stamps. Lots of tags. And then this beautiful paper is a digital download from Purely Personal Gifts. This is a vintage lace. Page from an old magazine. Coffee stain paper. And then this charm that says "Courage." You have here an image of Jesus Christ and Psalm 23 on the back. And on this page, I stamped "The best is yet to come." You have more tags here. Page from an old dictionary. And then I made this small booklet that you can carry with you. So plenty of writing materials. we are almost at the end of the journal, and I hope you like what you see. I had so much fun putting this together. This is the last pocket, and then this is the envelope where you can put more materials inside. So this is the journal that I call Gratitude Journal. I will have this listed in my Etsy shop, Nelda's Crafts. Again, you can decorate this as you go. This journal can still expand. So what do you think, guys? If you have any questions or suggestions, please don't hesitate to comment below. And thanks for watching. God bless you.